Good morning to all. Today I am going to submit my one of the research paper to the regional sustainability journal. So I will show you all of the procedure, all of the steps by steps, how you will submit your research paper to any journal. So there are some complexities, but I think that it will be easier for you after you will watch the video. So just follow. Okay. So I will submit in the regional sustainability journal. So, okay, just see the journal. This is the regional sustainability Q1 journal in the LSBR. So there are aims and scope. So before submit, you should read the aims and scope. If the journal aim and scope will match with your research paper, then you can submit. Otherwise, they will reject your paper. So the aim and scope of this research paper is the diverse. So there is a land use and land use change, forestry, environmental pollution, resource exploitation, soil water conservation, climate change, human land relationship, ecotourism, population migration, society transformation, food security, poverty problem, circular economy, supply chain, education and healthcare development, and rural issue, and other related to the sustainability. So sustainability is not only highly linked on the environmental sustainability, they also the health sustainability, on the food sustainability, on the population sustainability, all of the sustainable, all of the sustainability related topics they encourage. And not only sustainability, they have a large aim and scope. It's wider, so you can you check and you will submit. Okay, so I am going to their submission page. So this is the regional sustainability submission page. So there are 7 steps. First is the uh, article type selection. What types of article? So you know that there is not only a full research paper, there are some case study paper, review paper, or there is a lot of the section. And the attach file, you have to attach your all of the main submission file with the other required files, general information about you or journal or your reviewers, and the review preference. What types of review you preferences? Additional information. So there is some you if you have any information about your cost, your APC, or your data related information or anything, and comments. If you have any comments about your paper that you want to put here, and manuscript data, that means your author's data, your full review of the manuscript and anything. Okay, I will show you the step by step, then you can follow the what you have to do. Okay, so the select article type. So there is a review article, short communication, editorial, and the sustainable development in climate change. This is the special issue essay. So full length article, then you proceed. Okay, so in this attached file, you have to attach your all of the required file. So it's varies journal to journal. Some journal you have to upload only one file. In this one file, you have to show all of the information, your manuscripts, your author details, and your all of the requirements, your data related and your publication ethics and other important issue. So, and some manuscript, you have to submit the anonymous manuscript first. Then with the anonymous manuscript, you have to submit author details of the title page and cover letter and declaration of conflicting interest. It is very important. Conflicting interest is there any conflict of interest or any patent related interest or any there are a lot of sometimes the conflicting interest arises after the submission process of the reviewing process. Some authors they declare them, some author they withdraw them, and some author they remove another author. So there is some conflicting interest, but you have to show everything. So I think that in the conflicting interest, you have to write that there is no conflicting interest among the authors. That's is the enough. So here, manuscript without author information, that means anonymous. Okay, now I am going to show you I made all of the required documents. Okay, that is my title page. This is my title page. So in my title page, this is the title: Exploring Regional Health Determinants, Democracy, Population, Trade, and Women Rights in NAFTA. Okay, there are authors and there are details in the title page, because they said that you have to submit the anonymous manuscript. So in the manuscript, you should remove all of the author's information. Okay, so in the title page, I have to submit all of the author details. So my title, my author details and authors, their email and their affiliation, their position and their university, and the information about the corresponding authors. So sometimes, and I suggest that you can submit the ORCID ID with their information. Okay. So this is the abstract. And this is the keyword. So that is my title page with the author information. And you can write also some other information, look like acknowledgement or the declaration in this title page, but I wrote their information in the conflicting interest file. Okay, so this is my title page. And this is my manuscript. I will show you. This is my manuscript. So this is my manuscript with the authors, but the journal requirement is that you have to submit the anonymous manuscript. So I have to remove all this information. Okay. So this is my manuscript. This is the title, abstract, keywords. So you will have to write 5 or 6 keywords, and introduction, and the literature review. Okay. So after the literature review, the data and methodology section will be appear. Okay, methodology, theoretical model, and Grossman health production function. This is my main methodology, and the data and variables, and the empirical method. What types of empirical method I applied? So I wrote here all of the empirical methods and that figure. Okay, and next the empirical results and discussion. This is the empirical results. So I wrote separately discussion, so I don't need to write discussion here. Okay. So this is because submit, you have to check again and again your research paper. So these are my tables and results. So this is the discussion section, section 5. And after the discussion section, I wrote conclusion. I don't need that. Okay. Now the policy implications. After the last and final section is the limitation and future research. And I wrote some statements: funding statement, consent for publication, data availability statement, and conflict of interest. I also wrote here. And some appendix. There are 2 appendix: list of the countries and the references. Okay, so that's the section in my research paper. So now I am going to submit this research paper, and I omitted all of the author's information. Okay, now I am going to show you other documents. So this is the highlights. Some journal, their requirement to show some highlights of the paper. So you can write 4 or 5 highlights. So these are my highlights of my paper. And also another important document is the cover letter. So, and the journal requirement also says that documents of conflict of interest. So I wrote here uh, conflict of interest document and author details. Here I wrote whole the declaration section here. You can move this section to the title page also, or you can write this section in the last of your manuscript, but you don't need to write the author details, because in the anonymous manuscript you can show author information in anywhere. Okay, so this is my conflicting interest. This line is very important. That's why I highlighted this. So there is another section is cover letter. Okay, so I will show you my cover letter also. So this is your cover letter, just to the editor, submission of manuscript in your journal. So I just wrote it is just formal letter, why I select this journal or how this journal will match with my paper aims and scope, and just this. Okay. So there is a lot of template about the cover letter you can download, and you can customize about your with your journal and your requirements. Okay. So now I am moving to my main journal page. Okay. So there is first the manuscript without author information. Okay. So click the browse and you will go your manuscript. Okay. Democracy life expectancy manuscript. Okay. I upload that. And after that, okay, they receipt. Okay. After that, I am title page. Okay. There is a title page. Okay. They got my title page. Now I will upload another documents. Okay, another important document is declaration of conflicting interest. Okay, I have to upload the conflict of interest document. Okay, and these are not required, but you can upload this important document, look like cover letter. Okay, I will upload the cover letter. Okay, another document is con I upload conflict of interest. So okay, you don't need submit another documents. You can submit your data and highlights this. Okay, so now I have to move next pages. Okay, after uploading this document, you have to move the next pages. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is happening here. Okay, so in the upload section, I uploaded 4 documents. These are the cover letter, declaration of conflicting interest, title page, and the manuscript without author details. Okay, so now I have to proceed for the next section. So this is very important section. You have to upload your all of the required documents. So here you have to write your category. What types of category of your journal? So it is the human geography, rural and urban planning, natural resource economics, energy, and the ecology and conservation, environmental management, global change. And you have to write here what section the journal cover. So I can select the regional economics or regional health system. Though my this paper is not highly correlated of this journal, but just I want to show you about the how you will submit your research paper. Okay, request editor. You can request or you can no request, or regional sustainability editor. You can select him or he will move. Okay, then we move the next section. It is called the additional information questionnaire. Okay, so I select here. I confirm that I have mentioned all organizations that funded. Okay, regional sustainability is an open access journal. Okay, as an author, I acknowledge. Okay, do your study include human subject? No. Okay, so then I have to move the next section also. Proceed. Okay, so here enter comments. So if you see that there are anything incompleted, suppose additional information completed, additional information section is incompleted. So you click on that and they will take you. Okay, please proceed character. So this is not the human subject. So I will write the not applicable. Done. Okay, now the comments. Do you have any comments to editor? No. So you can proceed. Okay, now you can write it manually or copy and paste here about uh, your journal. So you can move this. This is the short title about your, and you have to write the whole title. So the title is here, Exploring Regional Health Determinant. Okay, I wrote here the title. Okay, next. The submission system, they collected your abstract from your submission. Okay, just next. Keywords, they also collected the keywords. Okay, then they also collected all of the author details. So, but they maybe missed some information. Now you manually put this information. So author degree, write details about you. So your contribution role. Okay, whose roles the whose author done? Okay, if the author Liton Chandra Bhumik, if he done the data curation, also the supervision, visualization, investigation, okay, and the click save. Okay, and the next author Mahabubur Rahman. So his email address in your title page, every information is available here. So you just copy and paste. Okay, institution. You just write, you have to write some words and they will collect the whole information and country of the regions. Okay, these information is very, very important and these information should be matched with your journal and the system. Also, these information, if you have open access facilities or if you don't have to pay the APC, it's depend on your country and they will match this information. Okay, the country, it is the Bangladesh and contribution role, methodology, methodology, formal analysis and writing original draft. Okay, just edit, uh, just save. And another author, Badshamiya, you have to click on the edit button and the system will show you about the information. So his email, just copy this email and paste. Put the academic degree, MPhil, and the institution. Okay. And country or region and contributor roles. So just writing the original draft, resources, formal analysis, validation, and save. Okay, next, another author, Pundakaya. You have to click on the edit button and academic degree, art degree, PhD, and email institution, Aydin Adnan, Menderes University, and our country from Turkey. Turkey, okay. So contributor roles, just click on the contributor roles, resources, methodology, investigation, data curation, formal analysis, validation, and click on save. Okay, maybe, okay. If there is a red sign, that means you missed some information or required information missing. So you have to click again. Okay, that means we did not wrote the email. So you have to collect her email. Okay, next you have to collect another author email. And if any author will appear to multiple times, you should remove. Okay, email address. Okay, global. The UN. Okay, you have to write the some word and they will show you the information. The coalition, the okay, and then country of the region. It is the UK, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. And his roles, it is the project administration, software, data, writing the paper, and you have to keep same. And you have to complete now another author information. Okay, just contributor roles, his contributor roles, his resources, writing original draft, formal analysis. And your another author is remaining, Salma Akhtar. Okay, you should write her email. Okay, that's country of the region. Country of region, it is the Bangladesh. And our contributing roles is the resources, validation, visualization, investigation. Okay, just click on the save. And the information is saving. So now it shows that there is no red sign. So if any affiliation is missing or incomplete, look like though everything is good, but I missed to put his degree. So I wrote it. Okay, now I completed all of the author's information. This you have to put all of the required information here. And this section will take time if there are multiple authors. And funding information is it is very important because who provide the funding or is there any funding for this research? Okay, now everything is done. Now I am going to build the PDF for approval. So they will now provide you a PDF file, all of the information, all documents that you provided. They will provide you. And this PDF section is very important. You should check again and again of the PDF file because you put all of the information separately. Now you will see all of the information combinedly and with the all of the information in one file. So that will help you if you missed something or if you put anything incorrectly, you can now check all of the information. Okay. So they show you the publishing option. There is a mm, two option. Most of the of maximum journal, they have the open access and the subscription. Open access means anyone can read your journal, and subscription means if anyone want to read, they have to pay if their institution did not connect with the journal. Okay. So this is the gold open access. So I select this gold open access because their APC is free in this year. Save and return. Okay, done. Now proceed. So now you will see the PDF file of your whole submission and all of the documents that you provided. Okay, so there the PDF is making. So here is current status is building PDF. So it will take time, 2 or 3 minutes, and after you will get the PDF, you have to click on PDF, and then your next and last movement is click on approve submission. Okay. So accept ethics in publishing. Yes. You have to click on that and your PDF is building. It's take time. It varies journal to journal. Some journal it will take 1 minute. Some journal it will take. I saw that some journal it will take more than 5 minutes. So, and you will be notified by your email everything. So that is if some journal will send email to all of the authors. Some journal only send notification to only corresponding authors. Okay. So now my PDF is ready. So it's now only one thing is remaining, that is the needs my approval. Okay, view submission. Here, if you click here, you will see your submission. Okay, and the edit submission, if you need anything to edit, suppose if you missed anything or if you incorrectly write anything, and you can remove submission, you can send email to the uh, editor, and not now, you can send now, you can send any time of your whole publishing procedure. You can send mail to the editor mm, about your extension of the time, about your any comments. Okay, or extension, any deadline or revision related any inquiry. So suppose I want to view my submission. Okay, so they will send you the whole PDF. Just see that this is the whole PDF that you submitted. All of the documents, all of the information. Okay, this is my regional sustainability. This is my name of the paper and the title, short title. Okay. So I saw that one thing I did not miss, but if I edit, that will be better. Suppose there is a full title and short title are the same. Short title means just show you title within 5 to 8 words, and the full title means your whole journal title. It may be more than 20 words, more than 10 words, more than 15 words. But short title try to keep shorter. So that's I have to edit, and everything, all of the author information, all the abstract, and all of the documents, your cover letter, your this is the declaration of conflicting interest. Okay, and this is your title page, and this is your whole manuscript. Okay, Okay, so now if you, after checking, if you think that you have need to edit anything, just click on edit submission. Okay, and if everything is correct, you have to click on approve submission. Okay, just follow the actions. View submission, you review and view submission, and edit submission. If you have to edit anything, approve submission. Okay, if you have to approve anything, and remove submission, if you want to remove, no, I saw that it will take time, or I will submit another journal or anything. Okay, send. Okay, so if I think that I have to edit only one information, then you can click on edit submission, or otherwise you have to click on approve submission. Okay, I click on edit submission, so they now they bring me here. So everything is correct. Which section you need to edit? Just only click on this section. Okay, just comments here. Okay, manuscript data. Okay, so I think that my full title and short title won't be same. I will write here the impact of democracy, population, trade, and women rights on health. Okay, just keep it shorter. Okay, done. And then you have to click on another build PDF for approval, because you already edited, and they will give you the revised PDF. So you have to check the revised PDF, and then you click on approval of the submission. Okay, just again, it will take time. It will take 2 minutes. Okay, so this PDF now revised. Okay, now my PDF is ready now. So there is again the view submission, edit submission, similar articles in Medline, and approve submission. So okay, I can approve now, but you have to click on view submission. Okay, and the PDF will be appear. Okay, so you can check the PDF again, and now you have to approve submission. After checking your PDF, okay, warning means this is your last stage. You can send now after the submission. Okay, now this is submitting. I am submitting my all documents. Okay, it will take more than 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so it shows that thank you for approving exploring regional health determinants, democracy, population, trade, and human rights in NAFTA. So, and if you check your email, they will send you the email. Okay, that's the whole submission process. I hope you understand now, and best wishes for your next paper.